Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on banking operations management. This is part 10. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. Dash speculators are pessimistic in nature. A. Bull. B. Bear. C. Stag. D. Wolves. Correct option is B. Bear. 2. The scheme in which company can allot shares not more than 15% of the issue size to the public in addition to the shares already offered is called A. Right issue, B. ESOPs, C. Green shoe option, D. Bonus issue. Correct option is C. Green shoe option. 3. The merchant banker coordinating a public issue is called as A. Syndicator, B. Lead manager, C. Post issue manager, D. None. Correct option is B. Lead manager. 4. Dash is a shortened form of prospectus. A. Red herring prospectus, B. Abridged prospectus, C. Statement in lieu of prospectus, D. Self prospectus. Correct option is B. Abridged prospectus. 5th. Dash is an offer document is issued in public issue made under book building method. A. Red herring prospectus, B. Abridged prospectus, C. Statement in lieu of prospectus, D. Self prospectus. Correct option is A. Red herring prospectus. 6. In technical sense, short sellers means bears will be squeezed through A. Was sales, B. Cornering, C. Rigging, D. Arbitrage. Correct option is B. Cornering. 7. Dash is known as traffic in securities. A. Was sales, B. Cornering, C. Rigging, D. Arbitrage. Correct option is D. Arbitrage. 8. A system of security trade in which one is allowed to invest in excess of his financial capacity by borrowing funds. A. Margin trading, B. Cornering, C. Rigging, D. Arbitrage. Correct option is A. Margin trading. 9. Which of the following speculative transactions are unfair and prohibited? A. Margin trading, B. Option deals, C. Rigging, D. Arbitrage. Correct option is C. Rigging. 10. Which of the following is not a prohibited act in security market? A. Insider trading, B. Price rigging, C. Cornering, D. Margin trading. Correct option is D. Margin trading. 11. Dash is undertaken for making a dishonest claim for tax deduction. A. Was sales, B. Price rigging, C. Cornering, D. Margin trading. Correct option is A. Was sales. 12. Dash means temporary halt of trade in stock exchanges whenever index moves upward or downward beyond the specified limits. A. Laddering, B. Cornering, C. Circuit breaking, D. Side by siding. Correct option is C. Circuit breaking. 13. Unsecured debentures are also known as dash. A. Registered debentures, B. Bearer debentures, C. Naked debentures, D. Collateral debentures. Correct option is C. Naked debentures. 14. Non-voting shares were introduced by companies amendment bills in the year. Here correct option is A. 1997. 15. Dash in the case of bonds, the value is inversely related to short-term interest rates. A. Fixed rate bonds, B. Inverse float bonds, C. Perpetual bonds, D. Option bonds. The correct option is B. Inverse float bonds. 16. D versus P system government securities market means A. Delivery and payment settlement, B. Dividend and principal settlement, C. Dollar and pound settlement, or D. Delaying and postponement. Correct option is A. Delivery and payment settlement. 17. Non-banking financial institutions NBFIs are registered under A. RBI Act, B. Banking Regulation Act, C. Companies Act, D. SEBI Act. Correct option is C. Companies Act. 18. According to IFRS, the term financial asset includes A. Cash or cash equivalent, B. Equity shares, C. Contractual right to receive cash, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 19. Which of the following is oblique a are example of primary or direct financial instrument. A. Fixed deposit receipt. B. Insurance policies. C. Mutual fund unit. D. Debentures. Correct option is D. Debentures. 20. Which of the following is oblique are example of secondary or indirect financial instrument? A. Equity shares. B. Preference shares. C. Post office saving deposit. Or D. Bonds. Correct option is C. Post office saving deposit. 21. A non-banking financial institution, the correct option is D, cannot accept demand deposit and cannot issue checks. 22. Kerala State Financial Enterprises Limited KSFE is an example of A. Banking institution, B. Investment institution, C. NBFI, D. State level development banks. Correct option is C. NBFI. 23. UTI, LIC, etc. are examples of A. Banking institution, B. Investment institution, C. NBFI, or D. Development banks. Correct option is B. Investment institution. 24. SFC is an example of State Finance Corporation, A. Banking institution, B. Investment institution, C. NBFI, D. Development institution. Correct option is D. Development institution. 25. Which of the following is oblique are not regulatory institutions? A. RBI, B. SEBI, C. IRDA, D. IFCI. Correct option is D. IFCI. 26. Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument? A. ADR, B. GDR, C. FDR, D. IDR. Correct option is C. FDR. 27. Follow-on public offer FPO is also known as A. Further public offer, B. Seasoned public offer, C. Subsequent public offer, or D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. 28. Uberrimae fidei means A. Indemnity, B. Insurable interest, C. Good faith, D. Mitigation of loss. Correct option is C. Good faith. 29. Dash is the oldest insurance? A. Fire insurance, B. Life insurance, C. Marine insurance, or D. Social insurance. Correct option is C. Marine insurance. 30. In dash insurable interest is enough at the time of loss? A. Fire insurance, B. Life insurance, C. Burglary insurance, or D. Marine insurance. Correct option is D. Marine insurance. 31. In life insurance, installment policy is also known as A. Annuity policy, B. Endowment policy, C. Whole life policy, or D. Lump sum policy. Correct option is A. Annuity policy. 32. In insurance, causa proxima means A. Utmost good faith, B. Contribution, C. Prevent the causes of loss, D. Closely connected perils. Correct option is D. Closely connected perils. 33. Dash is a financial service which pooling risks of people. A. Mutual fund, B. Venture capital, C. Insurance, or D. All of these. Correct option is C. Insurance. 34. In India, insurance business are regulated by A. IRBI, B. RBI, C. IRDA, or D. RDP. IRDP. Correct option is C. IRD. 35. Except life insurance, maximum term of other insurance is A. 12 months, B. 6 months, C. 24 months, or D. 36 months. Correct option is A. 12 months. 36. Central office of LIC of India is located at A. New Delhi, B. Kolkata, C. Mumbai, D. Bangalore. Correct option is A. New Delhi. 37. There are dash associated companies of GIC A3, B4, C6, D5. Correct option is B4. 38. Native Stock and Share Brokers Association is the old name of A. SEBI, B. NSE, C. BSE, D. NASDAQ. Correct option is C. BSE. 39. General insurance business nationalized in the year dash A. 1956, B. 1972, C. 1969, or D. 1982. Correct option is B. 1972. 40. Principle of indemnity does not apply to dash A. Fire insurance, B. Marine insurance, C. Life insurance, or D. None of these. Correct option is C. Life insurance. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.